it can take about 3 months for the dog to settle in. They've been through a ton of stress from being abandoned, from being taken to a shelter. Shelters are extremely difficult for dogs to deal with. Then the dog is taken from that environment and then put in a new environment. So basically what it is the dog is in emergency mode. So when you first rescue a dog, especially the first 2 weeks, you don't have a baseline of behavior. So don't make conclusions about how the puppy or how the dog is going to behave because they've been through a tremendous amount. Their stress hormones haven't gone down and they're still in emergency mode. It takes time for a dog to really acclimate and settle in after kind of a trauma. For instance, if you happen to live in Manhattan, there's a lot of stimuli there. It could take a dog longer to be comfortable on walks than if you live in, Connecticut with a backyard. So there are all different factors. You don't want to make any conclusions, negative or positive, and you just want to wait it out. And as you wait it out in those 3 months, you'll see the dog hopefully blossom by doing things like having a great amount of toys, interactive toys, by exercising your dog, by training your dog using positive reinforcement. You can make that acclimation smoother, but also boost the dog's confidence and calm them down at the same time.